That's a wrap for today. But you can check us out on social media, and we do appreciate when you tell your friends and family all about our show. Coming up next time, our movie.
Yeah, I think hopefully they'll provide a little more clarity, Angie. Although at the end of the day, I think the even tapering may be certainly less hawkish than what they'll talk here, just given the weakness in the market and obviously the troubles overseas. So I think the Fed will try to talk a big game, maybe provide a little more insight, but I think, probably will be sitting on their hands. And I think even tapering will start to slow here going forward, which could be a benefit for the market and generally tech stocks, which I didn't like earlier, going forward.
Shoot. This is Angie. Good, how are you?
Yeah, I think unless we have a big eruption again, coming into the winter months here, I think the market certainly has digested that. Let's also put that in context of population, right? Certainly the country is a much bigger country than it was back in 1918. So I think the market's really grasped onto the, COVID, and to some extent, more cases, as we've seen, can lead to a more dovish Fed, which can be, perversely kind of, bullish for stocks here. So I think it's probably baked in for the most part. And if anything, it'll affect the Fed decision more than stocks overall. Yeah, looking at some big repeat buying in Riot, R-I-O-T, in the out-of-the-money October calls, almost 40,000 traded on Monday, another 20,000 yesterday. We're seeing some more today. Implied volatility jumped off the charts here. So I'm just buying the stock, selling these very expensive out-of-the-money calls, lean bullishly with that call buyer, but more importantly, capturing that big spike in implied volatility, which is a fancy way to say the price of the options have gone up dramatically. You too. Thanks. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.